Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 calibration failing after firmware update, step-by-step recovery guide. Fix 1. Restart the printer and run full calibration. Turn the printer off completely, then wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then turn it back on. On the touch screen, go to Settings, then go to Calibration and select Full Calibration, All Calibration instead of individual calibration options. Now allow the process to finish without interrupting it. Running a full calibration after every firmware update is recommended because firmware updates can change motion parameters. Fix 2. Check for mechanical obstructions. Remove any filament or printed parts from the build plate. Ensure the print head moves freely along the X and Y axis. Verify nothing is blocking the nozzle or touching the printer during calibration, and make sure the build plate is installed correctly and locked in place. Fix 3. Clean the nozzle and build plate. Remove any filaments stuck to the nozzle. Clean the build plate with warm water and dish soap or isopropyl alcohol. Now check that the nozzle is properly installed and tightened, and then retry the calibration after cleaning. Fix 5. Inspect cables and sensors. Check that all visible cables are fully connected. Pay special attention to the tool head and internal USB-C cable connections if the printer was recently assembled or serviced. Look for loose or damaged wiring before running calibration again. Fix 6. Perform a factory reset. If the issue started after updating, open Settings, then go to General, then go to Restore Factory Settings. Now confirm the reset and allow the printer to restart. Complete the setup process again and run full calibration before printing. Many users report this clears firmware-related calibration issues after updates. Fix 7. Contact Bambu Lab support. If calibration still fails after completing all these steps previously, record the calibration error code or message and export printer logs if requested. Contact Bambu Lab support and include your printer model, firmware version, and error details for further diagnosis. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.